Yo guys, what's up? We're here. It is Monday morning and we closed the shop. Not everybody's gonna be in today, but as you can see, I got my Tonka toy out. Got the place plowed. We got Eric here. Dustin's over there. We got a water truck we gotta do. And we have a platinum tree service truck inside the garage right now. So it's snowy. We did close the shop, but we got a lot of work to do. So we got the wrap crew here. We are gonna tackle this platinum truck and see what the rest of the day brings us. Supposed to bring us a little bit more snow, so I'm sure we'll have to take a pause throughout the day sometime and plow the parking lot again. But for now, Tace is here. She's doing some books real quick. So it's gonna get dark here because we don't have a lot of lights on. Trying to go incognito today. But here's the boys. They're tearing platinum's truck apart so we can get wrapping. So I got some extra GoPros I'm gonna be setting up for a little time-lapse video. I'll be vlogging here, letting you guys know the process. It's gonna be just like the last truck. This is green now. Do you have a printout? I don't have a paper printout to show you guys right now, just because it's identical to the last one. So we're gonna do American flag theme, the blue stripe flag on the front. So hope you guys enjoy the time lapse, and I'll be back when it's done. So we're here trimming stuff up. As you can see, and we stopped short here. You can see this little green. See a little green thing sticking out. That's the design line. And what we do with that is, it's this little pink string that I have here in my hands. And what that is we put it down where we want to cut. That way we don't have to put our knife on the vehicle. And I'll grab it here. And as we pull, you have to make sure that your wrap is securely to the vehicle. And then all you do is you just pull this. And what that does allows for you to have a really nice straight cut without putting our knife in the vehicle. So then you just go back through and peel out the green portion of it. Make sure you get both sides. So the front we're waiting on to do the other side, but the right side of this, after AJ gets done putting that phone number on, we'll be done. Got the DOT, the name, measuring up for the phone number, and this side will be ready to be put back together. Went pretty smooth. One of the reasons why we will use Avery Dennison, there's a lot of wraps, vinyls out there that will do the same, but I'm gonna heat this up. And then I'll stick my hand through it. You can see, let me heat it up again here real quick. So you can see I'm grabbing it with my fingers. I'm gonna push it in a good bit for you. I don't know if you can tell the depth of that. But as you can see, now it's all wrinkly. There's a lot of people out there that's seen this, but for our viewers that haven't, now all I'll do is take my torch and I'll begin to heat it. As you can see, it's back to its original state. Just want to show you that. That's one of the, you know, wrap film is pretty forgiving. So here's the window. I just wanted to show you guys that. So we are finished with platinum. Get you guys up here. And you got the blue stripe on the front. So there it is. Nice Monday morning snow project. Alright, so there's the progress. So the news is no garage doors today. They're in, but people have other plans. So we gotta wait. Hopefully tomorrow afternoon he'll put one in, and hopefully Saturday he'll put one in. So we'll have to make the best of that for now. Hopefully they can stay warm. It's kind of chilly in here, but they crank the heat up. We'll see. I just thought in my head that maybe I would start doing circles to please my wife, but not a spinner. Not a spinner. I'm gonna sign off. Thanks for continuing to follow us. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We'll see you next time.